welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And you know what this is? It's from Born Pretty. This is a 6-pack of gel polishes. They're jellies. Let's look at them. So we get these 6 bottles here. They are 7 milliliter. Born Pretty did send these over to me so that I could show them to you and test them out. And we're gonna do something really cool. I did go ahead and make the swatches. They're here because I did not want to waste time having to make the swatches when what we're gonna do is gonna take a while and it's cool. So we've got the blue, the purple, the red, the pink, the yellow, and the green, all like glass. They're gonna be so good. We're doing stained glass. So here's the catch though. I'm gonna paint them on stands because if I put these nails on my hand and try and paint them, it's gonna be insanely difficult. And I don't know if I would be able to do it. I have drawn out some templates. Let me show you. So I've got this nail design book, and here are the ones that I've picked. This is what we're gonna make. Yes, I know the shapes are a little bit small. They're not the shapes we're doing, but it's gonna be based off this. So this is the plan. Let's get some tips picked out. We are gonna go in with these long-ish coffin tips from Makartt. I want enough space to get a good amount of art, but not so long that they're unreasonable because I'm gonna put these on my hand after. So let's pick some. Now when you're picking your tips, you do want to make sure they go from sidewall to sidewall, and you wanna make sure they have a good curve that they fit not only this way, but this way. If they are too wide, you'll want to pinch and roll to make them fit. If you have C curves, generally you're gonna have to do a pinch and roll because your tips are too wide. So this one seems to fit pretty good here. So we're gonna take that one. Let's see about this guy going here. I think that might be a little bit too big. Let's try one size down. That does seem better. Yes, that's the one we'll do. I'm gonna jump up to this size. Let's see how this goes over here. Yes, that's a good fit. Now, sometimes my ring finger is the same as my middle finger. Sometimes it's not, but it looks like in this set it is. And then we just need a pinky. Let's try this one. It's actually a pretty good fit. Okay, so those are the ones we're gonna do. I'm gonna stick them on these stands real quick. Okay, I've got them on there, and if you're wondering why my stands have such a large base, it's because I stuck them on magnets. And I hold them on top of this, which is an acetone lid with a magnetic strip sticking to it, so that I have a bigger and stronger surface for it to stay, so I'm not constantly knocking it over. Now, I am going to paint these in speed mode because again, they're gonna take so long because it is a big task. So hopefully you don't mind. I may put some voiceover over this. I know I don't like to watch videos that are just music. That's boring for me. So I don't want to do you guys like that either. So we'll see. I might put some voiceover over it. I might not, or I might just, you know, stick commentary in. We'll see. I don't know. Stick around, but watch this. Let's get started. Okay, so we're just gonna start and hope for the best. So I did go ahead and decide to put in a little voiceover here. I watched it without it and I was like, yep, just like I thought, it would be kind of boring. It's weird to me when YouTubers say, oh, I'll just let you watch this, I'll stop talking, I know you don't like it when I talk, but like who doesn't like it? Who is leaving these complaints? And why are they coming to your videos if they don't want to hear you talk? It makes no sense to me. I love watching nail videos and it's almost all that I watch, but I like to hear them more. So when I'm not actually looking at the screen, I can still hear what's going on. And so oftentimes if I get to a video that is just sound while the nails are going on, I'll just click off of it because I'm not there to listen to music. I'm there to hear the commentary, to feel the vibe, the interaction while the nails are going on. And so that's just my opinion about it. And so that's why I threw this in here. If you don't, in fact, like hearing me talk, then you can mute it. That's no problem at all. And if you do like hearing me talk, then I appreciate you. And I'm glad that you like my content. Thank you so much for being here and supporting me. You guys know how much fun I have making these videos. And I'm glad that you guys love watching them. It's wonderful. Unfortunately, these paintings didn't come out exactly like my drawings. I worked really hard on perfecting my lines in the drawings, but obviously that's not going to translate exactly with the nail shape being different and then paint and a paintbrush being a little bit different to work with than a pencil. But you know, we do what we can and I like it anyway. This took me a really long time, probably like 2 hours, but I had a good time doing it. And I was listening to my story, so it was a vibe. Highly recommend. Have you painted anything this intricately before? Please let me know. It's hard to concentrate on art like this and communicate at the same time. Okay, this is how far we've made it so far. We've got all the outlines. I think it's looking pretty good. It's a little bit different than my drawing because the nail shape is different, but I'm okay with that. Now we gotta color it in though. So back to speed mode. Now that the hard part is over, it's time to color it in. That part is a little bit fun as well. I definitely enjoyed seeing it come together. However, in my mind, the colors were more contrasty, whereas when I put them on here, they were not similar, but kind of in the same hue or tone, so that it's not like they were drastically different vibes. So like on the pinky nail where everything is such a tight fit, seeing the difference in the colors, this one, it's really not that easy. And the yellow to red kind of makes you believe there's a bit of an orange in between it, which there isn't. But they're so close together and they're the type of colors that mix, so it kind of tricks the eye. Okay, here's what we got. What do you think? This pinky's a little bit hard to see. I'm gonna get these top coated real quick and then we'll decide if we want to mattify them. I think I would prefer them glossy, but you know, glares. Let's put top coat on. All right, let's cure that. All right, and here they are. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on, and then I'll get you some photos. How exciting. So, if you're looking for a good set of jelly polishes, if you want to do stained glass nails, definitely check these out. I will again leave links in the description so that you can find what you need, and I think there's a discount code as well, so definitely feel free to use that. Save a little bit of money. Let me know what you think of these. I think they are super cute. I'm pretty pleased with how they came out. Even though they were a little different than my drawing, they're still nice and I like them. Let me know if you've made stained glass nails before. It's not so easy. Drawing these lines with a paintbrush is not the same as drawing it with a pencil. But I think it's okay anyway. And I wish that paint were actually a paint and didn't make me have to go so thickly and over it to get it to be a solid line. Anywho, Thank you for watching my video, especially if you made it to the end. Thank you for your likes, your comments, your interaction. The algorithm thanks you, and so do I. I love making these videos, so I hope you love watching them. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!